What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. Rebuilding 2022 Alfa Romeo. We got this car from a salvage auction with a left side collision. If you guys haven't seen part 1 and 2, I'll put a link in description so you guys can check it out and be up to date. Us buying the car, live auction, rebuilding, and all the way to this point. So in this video, part 3, we're gonna start putting the car back together, pretty much get it ready for wash, detail, and it's ready to go. So super excited. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and now let's get to work. So I got the car in the shop, so now we could start working on it, and I'm gonna start with the front door and work my way to the back. Pretty much I gotta transfer all the rubber seals, covers to this door. Then for the final, we'll install it and continue working on the back. Let the fun begin. Let's do this. Just put the front door completely together, everything works. So now we could move on to the back door and repeat the same process. Here's the old door, so I just gotta transfer everything to the new one and we're ready to start installing. And then for the final, I'll put everything inside, almost finished. Just put the rear door completely together, so we're finished with the doors. Next, I want to focus on the seat belt. So right now, I'm gonna remove the seat, install the seat belt, install the module, And then for the final, we'll install the door and the seat. So this way the door is not in my way. And I got my module and my airbag in that box. So let's do that. So that's my SRS module, and that's the seat belt. So right now we're gonna go install the SRS module, and then for the final we'll install the seat belt, put the interior together, and install the door. All right, this should be fun. So what I do, I just slide this backwards, and now I got some room to get in there. This in. Okay, and that's it. So now we just slide this over. Boom. So next we'll install the seat belt right here. We got a little progress, pretty much put the whole interior together, installed the airbag module. So right now I'm gonna try to do a reset with my computer. I don't know if it's gonna work because I think this computer is only good for like 2020 model, but we'll put like a 20, because they start making those cars from 2018 to 2022. So I'll try to put them lower year model and see what happens. I got airbag light, steering, bunch of stuff, collision. So we'll see. Diagnosed. Alpha. This is gonna take some time to load up, so once it's loaded, I'll show you guys the rest. Yeah, for some reason it's not letting me. They're saying I gotta get a different scanner, purchase one from the dealer. Yeah, unfortunately my scanner's not working for this model, so I'll go ask my neighbor if I could use his and see if I could reset it. And some of you guys saw this, and you guys are right, this is a rental vehicle. I've got to remove those stickers so nobody knows that it's a rental. Much better. Yeah, it's a rental vehicle, you know, but at the end of the day, it's a brand new car, low miles, only 5,000 miles. It's a 2022, and there's always a demand for a new vehicle. Yeah, I might not get top dollar, but I'll still get some good money for it. So rental is rental, so it is what it is. So now, let's pull the car out. Gotta reset all the lights, and we're done with this. Beauty. Hopefully it's not gonna be a nightmare to reset all those lights, because I got a lot of them right now. Okay, I got a snap-on for 2022 model, so let's see if this will work. Alfa Romeo 2021 model, man. Let's see, might not even work. Okay, I scan all the codes and let's try this out. Boom! Yeah, no more codes. Woohoo! Finally something went the right way with this car. Wow, I'm excited. Finally, we're done with all the codes. Mr. Tommy, no more codes, man.
Oh yeah?
Finally something went right with this car. The day I bought it, engine mount was busted, rear shock was busted, this, that.
Oh, so this must be an auction car.
Yeah, no key. So one dealer told me they can't program the key till I fix the car completely. and I put all the airbags, new module, and I was like, how do you expect me to fix the car if the car doesn't
I'm
drive
just trying to sell you something.
or move? He's like, we
Why
can't.
didn't you call the mobile guys?
I called, they couldn't do anything.
Really?
And then I called Anaheim dealership.
Because Alpha?
Yeah, I called Anaheim dealership, other dealership, and he's like, bring it over. I think we could reset everything. Because I changed the power fuse, and then the thing I was getting fuel cut off, so I wasn't getting the fuel. And then in the owner's manual, it's like, use the right turn blinker, this, up, left, up, and supposedly it should reset. I did 100 times, nothing. Until I took it to the other dealer and he was able to activate.
Yeah, I've heard so many kooky stories online, like YouTube videos, where everybody's like, oh, you do this.
Yeah, none of that stuff worked.
I think it's like a big prank, you know, to where I wonder how long I got this guy for. He's probably out there for 4 hours.
That's what I did.
Work. Dude, my whole life I've never used anything like that.
Usually when something
like the service mode stuff.
Yeah,
like
that's the only thing.
Where
yeah.
You turn key on, you go 1, 2, 3, and then you get all your service.
Yeah, that's the only thing you could do. But dude, I'm happy.
That's older Mercedes, by the way.
All right, well, let's go back to the shop and clean this bad boy up, and we're good. Gonna go for a little test drive. First real test drive. Drives pretty good, pretty quick as well. Nice little car. Let's not crush. Good brakes too, surprisingly. Oh man, this thing drives really nice. Solid, nice and quiet, very smooth. Plus it has the shifters. Feels like a race car. And we'll do a full send right now, 0 to 60. 1, 2, 3, ready. Pretty quick. Wow. Very quick. I like it. Got Marco's in the house. He's gonna give her some love and she'll be ready to go. Alfa Romeo and Giulia is officially finished, washed, detailed, and ready to go. Looking good, like nothing happened, but this car is full of surprises, and I just found out another surprise about this car. Since this car is 2022, and instead of California, if you buy out-of-state vehicle less than 7,500 miles, you cannot register the car in California. It has to have 7,500 miles. And I Googled it as well. I was like, what are you guys talking about? How's that possible? And here's the Google, and this is what it says. Crazy, huh? That's the story with this beautiful Alfa Romeo and Giulia. So who knew? I didn't know. So I guess you learn something new every day. So unfortunately, I cannot sell this car in California because the car currently has little under 5,000 miles. So I got two choices: either sell this car out of state or take it to the auction and try to sell it at the auction. Somebody will buy it out of state. So guess you learn something new every day. So this is the situation that I got going on. So if any of you guys are interested and you guys live anywhere besides California, you guys are more than welcome to buy it. So let me know. But for now, we're officially done with this build, and stay tuned for something else. The Porsches should be coming up, and I bought a couple more cars. So thank you guys once again for watching this whole entire rebuild. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next build. До свидания!